My name is Justin Potts, and I work for Land O'Lakes. And Land O'Lakes' submission this year for the Bold Open 2021 is enteric methane reduction. My role with Land O'Lakes is I am the Senior Manager of Dairy 2025, and I have responsibilities on-farm sustainability and animal care efforts within Land O'Lakes. And one of the biggest challenges that we are faced with is working with our producers to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions, lowering their carbon footprints on their farm. And one method that this can be achieved by is by reducing the amount of methane that is produced by a ruminant animal and the rumen. And this is the challenge that we have established for the Bold Open, is to find a feed additive that is already approved for use in animal feed that can significantly reduce the amount of enteric methane. For a little bit of a background on why this is so important, is about approximately 30% of the total carbon footprint from a dairy farm comes from the production of enteric methane emissions by the dairy animals. If we can reduce this enteric methane, it can also be beneficial to the beef industry as well as with any other ruminant animals included in that. We are looking to partner with CPG companies to help develop this. And we are also noticing a lot of CPG companies are looking to lower their net zero, their carbon emissions over the next 25 to 30 years. A lot of them have a stated goal of being net zero by 2050, but additionally, they have goals of reducing their carbon footprint by 10% by 2025. 30% by 2030, 40% by 2040. And if we can develop this enteric methane feed additive, it will help us greatly to reach these goals and what not only the industry is set for itself, but also a lot of the companies that we partner with and sell our products to, including milk and meat and dairy. We do realize that there are several feed additives as you research this that are on the path to being approved for use in ruminants. However, a lot of these approvals may have just been received overseas outside of the US, and now that they can possibly be used in the US, they still have to go through a very rigorous process that's required by the FDA, which includes long-term farm studies. So the real goal here is to find something, if there's something out there that is already FDA approved, that does not need to go through this process, that we can get a huge jump start on this process of reducing methane production in our animals. And one of the most important things to realize here is that methane that's produced in the ruminant and expelled through her belching, through her mouth, is that methane is about 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide at trapping heat in the atmosphere. And with our ruminant animals, approximately 80 to 95% of the methane produced is in the rumen. So we're looking to find that feed additive that can greatly reduce the enteric methane production. So the challenge we have coming from Land O'Lakes is to identify an FDA-approved novel feed additive that can significantly reduce the amount of enteric methane produced by ruminant animals from a partner willing to conduct basic research. Furthermore, we'd be interested in a partner who conducts joint research with us or development to finalize with some level of validation. So the last thing I just want to make to everybody is just to please register for the Bold Open on July 21st and submit your submission into this challenge. Thank you.